One of the biggest problems with prefabricated branch wiring systems is with the final trim-out. Even under the best conditions, with exacting planning and engineering, pre-installed wiring devices often don't finish flush with the drywall or finished wall surface. This is not only a code requirement, it's also an aesthetic consideration. Architects and building owners demand quality finishes. One option to address this problem is to use an adjustable plaster ring. Unfortunately, adjustable rings have some real problems of their own, like for example the fact that two-gang models don't work at all with virtually any box bracket on the market today. Even if the only requirement was for single-gang rings, which is obviously unrealistic, these adjustable plaster rings are hard to find, and even when you can find them, they're very expensive, not to mention only a few are UL listed. If an adjustable plaster ring is not used, most contractors deal with these trim adjustment issues with Band-Aid solutions like Caterpillar outlet spacers and shims. These might just be the worst possible solution. They're small, difficult to work with in a cramped space, and most tradesmen agree they just don't work very well. Device leveler and retainer plates. These can work, but you need one plate for each wiring device, and router overcut often prevents their effective use. Plus, many inspectors, architects, and owners will not accept this solution, insisting instead that the original construction installation should have been done properly in the first place. Box extenders. Although they're used by the trade to make final adjustments, these products are meant to be used on old work, not to repair new work. And since the wiring devices must be completely removed before installing box extenders, they waste a lot of time and labor. Also, like the other Band-Aids we've already discussed, inspectors, architects, and owners often frown on their use in new construction. Electrical Prefab Systems is pleased to announce the ideal solution for final trim-out. Introducing the Adjustable Box Extender, another unique and innovative product created by Electrical Prefab Systems to solve the problems electrical contractors face on the job every day. This patent-pending product is available in a 1-gang version, model BX1, and a 2-gang version, model BX2. These two models are designed for one layer of 5/8" drywall and will adjust a full 1/2 inch for final adjustment to ensure that wiring device yokes are flush with finished wall surfaces. We also have other models designed for 1/2 drywall applications. Installation is simple. After the wall finish is complete, remove the wiring device protective cover. Electrical Prefab Systems installs styrofoam between the device and cover to keep mud and paint off the device. The metal cover protects the wiring devices during the drywall and wall finish process. If the face of the wiring device yoke is not flush with the face of the wall, adjustment is quick and easy. First, loosen all the 632 device screws until the back sides of the screw heads are at the same level as the finished wall. Then, take hold of the wiring device yoke and pull it out until it comes in contact with the device screw heads. Using a flat or Phillips head screwdriver, turn the BX adjustment screw counterclockwise until the body of the extender is in snug contact with the wiring device yoke. We do not recommend using a battery drill for this process, as final adjustment is usually minimal. Finally, install finish wall plates over the devices. Electrical Prefab Systems' ultimate goal is to engineer and produce a system that requires no final wiring device adjustments. However, in spite of our best diligence and planning, and in spite of your company's best efforts to install the product as perfectly as possible, in the real world of construction, some final adjustments are inevitable. That's why this exciting new product is a game changer, making all the hassles of final wiring trim-out a thing of the past. The Adjustable Box Extender, only from Electrical Prefab Systems. Designed, engineered, and fabricated by the industry leader in electrical modular wiring systems to minimize your installation costs and maximize your company's profitability.